million people expected to visit the Mahakumbh Mela 2025. It also poses a challenge for the sanitation and the cleanliness in the Mahakumbh Mela. Right now, joining me ADM Vivek Chaturvedi to talk on this issue. Sir, thank you so much for talking to Newsdesk. Sir, if we talk about what all measures have been taken to ensure the proper sanitation for the massive crowd that will be coming to Mahakumbh.
There are different components regarding this. We have done a massive planning earlier. One by one, I will try to explain it out. We have planned for 1,50,000 of toilets, which includes community toilets and public toilets and toilets in the sanstha's. There we have the proper cleanliness mechanism. We do the cesspool operation by 24/7. It is available. Our vehicles are there moving around. CIs are there to look after that. And above them, the team is there in the hierarchy to look after that. 1,50,000 toilets are there. Their cleanliness mechanism has been ensured through jet sprays and through QR code based mechanism, in which public can also have their glimpses and have their check. We can so that we can fix the accountability and the transparency in the domain of the public, that it is going to be cleaned. And in addition to that, we have different components also. We have hired at least 10 to 15,000 of Safai workers, which are there on the duty for 24/7. In addition to that, Seva Doos are there, which not only encourages them also, but to the public also, general public also, to not to put any garbage anywhere in this field, Mela area. In addition to that, we have dustbins at every 100 meters, which the liner bags, and from these liner bags, the solid waste is collected, and it is transported towards the tippers and compactors. You can see there the tipper is going on there now. Black liner bags, which are biodegradable plastics, which is being used. From this tipper, they are carried to a compactors and to the Basuar plant, from where the solid waste management plant is there. We get it insured. As far as river water cleanliness is concerned, so we have compliance each and every norms given by the NGT. We have ensured that none of the untreated water is being fell down in river Ganga. And in addition to that,
So what is the strategy for the waste management? How the administration is willing?
that's why I told you, the waste has been collected to the dustbin and the liner bags to the tippers, small vehicles. There, from their tippers, it is transferred to the compactors. From compactors, it is transferred to the Basuar plant, which is nearby in the city, 10 to 15 kilometers from there, where the solid waste management treatment plant is there. It is functional there, and we have got the legacy waste already disposed. Now we are prepared for the whatever waste generated through this Kumbh Mela period. We will get it done.
Also, sir, what is the frequency, as you talked about the cleaning of the toilets? So what is the frequency, on what basis, like how many times the toilets are being cleaned in a day?
This is not the question of timing. Every moment it is being cleaned. For every 10 to 15, for every 10 toilets, one cleanliness supervisor is there. He is there to ensure that all the toilets should be cleaned 24/7, not of the frequency, whether he has to clean this toilet for 20 times in a day or 50 times in a day, but this should look clean. In addition to that, we have put the mechanism of QR code cleanliness. When you go to the toilets, QR scanner are there. You can scan that and put on the mobile phone, and that will give the status, and that will also ensure the cleanliness to the department concerned, which has been engaged in this cleaning.
Also, sir, how is the administration, engaging with the public to make them aware about the sanitation, to keep them aware about it?
Lots of awareness program has been done. We have tried to engage the normal and general public to this campaign. They help a lot, and they are now also very sensitive that they do not throw any garbage in the road area. Besides this, we have hand picking gangs also. Skimmers are operating in the river Ganga, and we have river Channas also, from which we collect the fool and malas if they are thrown into river Ganga.
Also, if you take us to the water waste management, how the water is being treated?
Water treatment, as far as I said you earlier, NGT has already instructed us. We have compliance each and every step of that. None of the untreated none of the untreated water is being directed to the river Ganga. We have tapped all the nalas which were falling in the river Ganga. Almost 81 nalas were there. In the massive survey was done by the Nagar Nigam, and we ensured that all the nalas has been tapped properly. They are transferred to the STP concerned, and sewerage proper treatment plant is there. And the byproduct, the treated water is only supposed to be there in the river Ganga.
Thank you so much for talking to NewsX. So there you heard the ADGM also told about the various initiatives being done by the government of Uttar Pradesh to make the Mahakumbh Swachh, clean for the devotees coming at the Mahakumbh 2025. I'm Arzu Said with video journalist Himanshu Negi for NewsX in Prayagraj.